pumping up, box and wash, human trust, who we are. Tell the jigga hit.
Hey, what's up you guys? So it's me Luigi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video we'll be having a reaction more Cortez TNT music videos. So we're not done yet for Red Red, but now we'll be having a reaction video for TNT. So for and 5 p.m. and we'll be having a reaction video. So my bias is Kyun Ho and Songhyun. And also comment down below who is your bias, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with my every upload, and comment down who is your bias, and I will be checking the comment sections. And let's go. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh my god, the face card. You know, this is Green Green. I think this is from Green Green or what? Know that Kyunho's face card like never declined all. Grabe yung mga face card nila. Yeah, this is like the Korean K drama, or I mean Korean movie. They running, what's it called? What's that? Ano na yun? Oh my god, I forgot. This is like the scene of, sino na yun yung may ball pen? Pinanood ko siya. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god, Songhyun is so handsome. You know, hindi pa nakakaget over sa Red Deck. Palanggi red, palanggi red. You know, I love that music video. Oh my god, Songhyun. Oh my god. TNT. Alam mo, mouth pa lang, I know na kung sinong member yon. Nakita mo naman, grabe yung impact ng Cortez, no? Like, grabe yung mga face card. Oh my god, I think this will be my thumbnail right now because I love Songhyun. He is now my bias. You know, Juhon. Oh my god. Grabe, puro run na lang sila. Puro run ng run. You know, grabe. You know, I love the vibes of Cortez song from Passion Go. My god. What you need, TNT. Guys, stream this. If napanood mo na siya, then panoorin siya ng panoorin. Face card never decline. And also the vocals of song. Martin James, oh my god. Oh my god, I thought it's done. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. It's done. Oh my god. So guys, so this is enough for video. Grabe. So this is, I think nasa 2 minutes, around 2 minutes yung duration ng music video. So this is the end of our video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to update my every upload. So bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.
Pumping up.